Hello students, in the previous class we discussed about problems based on transpose of a matrix. Today we shall discuss some more problems based on transpose of a matrix. The first problem, if A is equal to 0 to 1, 0 to 1, minus 2, 0, minus 2, minus 1 x 0 is skew symmetric, find x. Given that this matrix is skew symmetric matrix, if A is skew symmetric, then A transpose is equal to minus A. A transpose, consider the transpose of A, that is 0, minus 2, minus 1, 2, 0, x, 1, minus 2, 0. This is A transpose. What is minus A? We shall see what is minus A. 0, minus 2, minus 1, 2, 0, 2, 1 minus x, 0. This is minus A. We have A transpose is equal to minus A, that is 0, minus 2, minus 1, 2, 0, x, 1 minus 2, 0 is equal to 0, minus 2, minus 1, 2, 0, 2, 1 minus x, 0. Clearly, x is equal to 2. The value of x is 2. This is what is about skew symmetric matrix. Next we shall discuss some more matrices. Yes. You are given a matrix A is equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. You have to show that A into A transpose is equal to A transpose into A is equal to I. That is identity matrix. Right. Given A is equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. A transpose is equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. A into A transpose, you can write dash or you can write T, that is cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha into cos alpha minus sin alpha by sin alpha cos alpha. This is what you have. Now, how to multiply? First row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, second row, second column. That is cos alpha into cos alpha plus sin alpha into sin alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha plus sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha plus cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha whole square plus cos alpha into cos alpha. This is what you have. So this is nothing but cos square alpha plus sin square alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha plus sin alpha cos alpha. Here you have minus sin alpha cos alpha plus cos alpha sin alpha sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. You have sin square alpha plus cos square alpha as 1 and this becomes 0 plus sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha gets cancelled. So you have 1, 0, 0, 1 which is equal to I. Similarly, you try the next one, that is you have to show that A transpose into A is equal to I. This is for homework. This you take it as homework. Right. We shall discuss the next problem. Okay, this is what is the question given to you. You are given A as 1, 5, 3, 2, 4, 0, 3, minus 1, minus 5. B as 2, minus 1, 0, 0, minus 2, 5, 1, 2, 0. You have to find 3A minus 4B dash. Consider 3A minus 4B dash. That is 3 into A, 1, 5, 3, 2, 4, 0, 3 minus 1 minus 5, 3A minus 4 B dash. B dash is 2, 0, 1, minus 1 minus 2, 2, 0, 5, 0. So here you have, multiply every term with 3, 3, 15, 9, 6, 12, 0, 9 minus 3 minus 15, minus, here you have 8, 0, 4, minus 4 minus 8, 8, 0, 20, 0. Now you have to subtract the corresponding terms. 3 minus 8, 15 minus 0, 9 minus 4, 6 minus of minus 4, 12 minus of minus 8, 0 minus 8, 9 minus 0, minus 3 minus 20, minus 15 minus 0. So here 3 minus 8 is minus 5, 15 minus 0 is 15, 9 minus 4 is 5, 6 plus 4, 10, 12 plus 8, 20, 0 minus 8, minus 8, and here you have 9 minus 23, 9 minus 23, minus 15. This is what is 3A minus, that is equal to 3A minus 4B dash. This is what is 3A minus 4B dash. You need not write this, this is the answer. Right. We shall discuss the next problem. Fourth problem. If A is a symmetric matrix, then prove that A transpose is also symmetric. Given A is a symmetric matrix. If A is symmetric means A transpose is equal to A. Consider A transpose whole transpose, that is equal to A transpose whole transpose into A transpose, that is equal to A into A transpose. Since B transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. So here also A transpose whole transpose is A transpose whole transpose into A transpose. A transpose whole transpose is A into A transpose as it is. Therefore, since A transpose whole transpose is equal to A into A transpose, we have A into A transpose is symmetric. That's about today's class, children. We shall continue in the next class.